Hi guys, so I'm in my mom's car, and it's really windy. Me and my brother
Backyard with Jules. That's yucky.
are gonna.
Come on. Wait. Let Teddy out. All right, slam it.
Hey, I'm going with
I'm trying to stop you from getting hit by the door. Just say thank you.
And I don't know if you could see anything, but I don't. You can probably feel the wind, but not right now. Now you can hear. And it's so windy, guys. I can barely see you. Okay, we're fine now. It's really windy and I'm scared. Follow me. I'm running. Come on, guys! Guys, get over here! Come on, follow me, guys. What? Too far. Come on, let's go back, guys. We're not going inside. It's really windy. Whoa. I'm spinning around. Holy cow, that was big.
Yeah, that big, guys.
Come on, Teddy bear. Come on, Jules.
No, I want to stay out for a few more minutes.
No, I can't see you. It's too dark, guys.
Can we stay on the porch then?
For 1 more minute.
Okay.
All right, Mace, watch where you're going, baby. Don't fall.
And yeah,
Wind flipped the chair over.
I know. Wait, I wanted to see that. I love rain.
I got a fruit basket for a present. Want to come see it? It's got fruit. There's tons of it. But feel how heavy this is.
Yeah.
Go fast, go fast, go fast, go fast.